Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, and if your power lift gate does not open, guys, okay, the trunk does not open and you want to see which fuses for that, stay with us, we'll explain that. You have up to 3 fuses, so we need to check all 3 of them. Okay, all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, that C-Max, guys, that generation from 2012 to 2019 has 3 fuse boxes. One is under the hood. I'm going to show you right here. Okay, let me show you. This is the main fuse box. Okay, we have it open. This is the one in the corner right here, but that's not what we need. We need to go inside the vehicle. First on the passenger side, right here. Okay, in the food compartment, guys, if you come. Okay. Under the glove box, and you can see we have that cover removed, and right here we have the fuse box, guys, located right there. And now right here, that's where actually the fuses are located. So let me just go ahead, support it here so I can show you which fuse we need to check. There is one fuse here, and then we have 2 more at a hidden location as well. So the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 65. So if you come, it will be the one on the very 67, 66, 65 on the very top, guys. The 10 fuse in the top right corner next to the fuse, you can see the number. That's the fuse. That's one of them that you need to check. Now there is another one that 2 more that you need to check. And if you come to the trunk, guys, on that Ford C-Max, the power lift gate, let's explain which one you need to check here. So you can see when we remove that cover here for the hybrid, right here we have one fuse box as well. And now let me go ahead and show you which one we need to check. Actually there is 2 fuses here. It's a little bit hard for me to show you, but the first one that you need to check, guys, is actually known as fuse number 1. Fuse number 1 is the fuse on the very bottom, right here, that 5 amp fuse. On the very right, the very bottom fuse is number 1. The other fuse that you need to check is fuse number 25, which will be this fuse right here, the second big fuse from top to bottom, 25 amp fuse. You need to check as well. We'll have a video on our channel how to test fuses, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below how to test fuse in relay. If you need help with that, please check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help. Thank you for watching and see you next time.